Guys, this very session we're going to see how to run an ad. So there are different ways to actually run an ad, different objective and different stuffs. So let me just click on this plus to show you. Okay, so we have a lot of objectives here. So but I'm not going to lay more emphasis on any of these objective. So anytime I'm actually teaching you is what you're going to replicate in your own ad. All right. So go here. You see the Domino's Signature Mall, ShopRite. I manage one of their Facebook pages. So I will click on it so that I will look for the page I created for this very business. Right. So I go to um okay. What's the name of the page again? Premium wristwatch. Okay. So it will change to premium wristwatch. All right. So we are selecting this website conversions. Website conversion. This one. This one. Website conversion. So I'm going to click on it. Okay. Just pay close attention. Pay close attention. And just replicate every single thing I'm actually showing you here. Don't go and overdo yourself. Yes, because Facebook has a lot of stuff you need to learn, but as a beginner, you need to start making yourselves right now. And we all know that Facebook actually placed 7.5% tax on each ad run from January 1st. So if you're actually watching this video right now, in 2021, good and fine, you can just start making trials, before 2022, when Facebook will start charging you 7.5% tax for running ad as a Nigerian on Facebook. So now click on change image. Okay. So click on camera roll. Camera roll is your phone gallery where you see all the pictures of the product you are to sell. So click on camera roll. All right, bring it up so you can see our wristwatch is. All right. So but before then, just go back a bit so you can see format. You can see format here. The format here is what? Single image, right? So if you are using single image, just click on change image. All right, and go to camera roll. You will now see pictures of the wristwatches. So if you click one now, only one will appear there. You can see it. See, this is how the picture will look like. I remember what I told you about creatives. The creatives actually are pictures or videos that you use to run your ad, and it must look very nice and cool so they can be able to attract people. So, but I told you that we're not going to use single images, we're going to use multiple images so that people will have more options. So someone actually see this watch might not really like it. So let's look out for other ones. So you can see single images. We have carousel, we have single video, we have post. So if you already had the post of the ad you want to run, you can just from your Facebook page, you can just run the ad. But I don't do that. Just follow my procedures. So click on carousel. Okay, click on carousel. Carousel will allow you to select multiple pictures. So you can see the first one you selected. So click on the second one so that you select the second one. Go to camera roll. Go to camera roll. Okay, click on the first wristwatch, right? Okay, that's perfect. So for anytime you want to add a picture, on this ad, just click on the next. You can see plus here. Just look here to show you something right away. Okay, you can see this plus, this one. Just click on it. So once I click on it, you understand, it will show the second picture on the third. But don't forget about it. Just go down and click on the, if it will replace it. Click on the fourth one. It will still replicate the third picture, but forget about it. Click the picture that you want to upload. Okay, so this is how you do it until you achieve your purpose. Okay, so click this one, click the next one, click this one. So this is what you do until you've exhausted all the pictures of the wristwatch you want to sell. So click the next one, click the next one. So this is what is called carousel. So what you do is just click next. Click next. Let me show you. So all these things are very easy for you to do. Click next. So this is covering it. This is covering it. Okay. See next here. The arrow at the bottom right. Click on it. It will take you to the next environment. Okay. So the next environment is where you're going to put your stuffs. So ignore any other thing you're seeing there. Conversion event. Forget about it. The reason why it's showing because I have a website that I've actually connected. Pixel is what you use to track the results of your website when you're running an ad. So forget about it. It's not applicable here. So primary text, this is where you write a caption of the ad. Primary text. So clean out the one that's there. So what you write? Buy your luxurious wrist watches today. Okay, wristwatches at a very affordable price today. So make it as if it is scarce and the price is very affordable for today. So to make people to come and patronize you and buy from you. So I know this is called copywriting, but copywriting is not too applicable here. So just write a very short, captivating stuff because everybody knows what watch is all about. So don't know if you convincing them whether to buy or not to buy. You get the point. So remember what the type of business delivery model I asked you to use is going to be payment. Okay, payment on delivery. Okay, payment on delivery. So once they must have gotten the product, they will now pay. So once they go to the park to pick the product, they will pay before they collect it from park owners. So payment on delivery. Okay, so I think this is enough. And most times, for you to really save time for yourself, you can write underneath delivery days, so that they will know. If not every day you are doing deliveries, so you can just spend some days at home trying to reply messages and have some days for delivery. So you can write delivery days. You can use Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturday, so that they will know. So whenever they're making order, they will not expect it. If they're not making order that same day, you actually put this thing up. They should know that you are making your deliveries only on Mondays, Wednesdays, and Saturday. It's fun, right? Yes. So that you have more time for you to see them and reply messages. So that it's not like someone actually look out for a product now. You just rush and go and buy the product and send to the person. That the same day you'll be stressing yourself, right? So everything is just about wisdom. So we are going to choose any button of our choice. Okay. So let's use shop now. Shop now. Shop now. This is what will show up in our this thing. So carousel item 1 is an invalid URL. Let's click on it and see why. Why is it showing this? Okay, so let's leave it like that. Let's leave it like that. So because it has been showing anytime I want to run ad, but let's leave it like that. Okay, go to headline and attention grabbing headline. You can see where they wrote it, add an attention grabbing headline. Okay, okay, what will we go with now? Okay, use a capital letter for all. Grab yours at, okay, limited offers. Get yours today. Okay, so it makes people to see that this wristwatch is very scarce and they should grab it immediately. So destination URL should be the WhatsApp link we created, wa dot link, right? So the WhatsApp link we created previously is going to be our thing. So click on, so you know where you save yours, you can just copy and paste. Okay, so that's it for now. So more options. Okay, let's forget about this one. Placement. Placement is where you want the ad to appear. Okay, so instead of using automatic that Facebook is recommending for you, make use of manual, so that you decide where you want your ad to show up, and also you can actually maximize more instead of letting Facebook to spread it across where it is not necessary. So I will advise you, device types, make use of mobile instead of desktop and mobile. Remove desktop so that the ad will go only for people that are actually using phone. All right, so go to Facebook. On Facebook, remove video feeds, but if you're making use of video ad, you can leave it. So remove video feed. Okay, a lot of people go through their story, so leave it there. Marketplace, leave it there. In stream video, leave it there. Remove it. Instant articles, remove it. So these three are okay for us, so click good. So for Instagram, our account is not linked to any Instagram account, so we don't want it to show up in Instagram. If it shows on Instagram, is a perfect one, but our account is not connected to Instagram. But if you want to learn how to connect your Facebook and Instagram account together, good and fine. Just purchase my social media passive income course. Okay, so that's good. So go to audience network. Audience network is this ad that used to pop up on apps. Okay, just click on them. Click on them. So this is cool. Okay, make sure that it's not showing the messenger. Remove it. Remove it. Just remove every single thing. So the ad is only showing on Facebook alone. So it will help you to maximize your money. You get the point? So we click good on top. Okay, click good. So this is how our ad will show up. Limited offer, get yours today. So this is how it will look. So you can see carousel, all those things you used to see online. So this is how it actually appears. Once you are sliding, it will be sliding along. So let's preview all and see how it looks like. Okay, okay, let's see how it looks. Okay, I think this needs delaying. We should go back and continue with our ad. It's delaying. Okay, so this is how it will look like. You can see it now. It's perfect, right? Perfect. All right, so let's go back. So click on the arrow showing by your right. Click on it. Let's go and set our audience. So our audience is where we're going to set where we want to locate the people that will buy from us, right? So create audience. So for example, like I told you earlier on, instead of you targeting all the Nigerians, of which if you do, you get clients, you get customers that will buy, right? So, but first and foremost, just change the name of the audience name so that once you save it, if you want to use it next time, you will see it and use it. So let's say premium wrist watch. Okay, premium wristwatch. So we are changing this thing to Nigeria. You can see it's showing the United States of America. So click on edit. All right, click on it and remove it, delete it on top. So what we have here is only Nigeria. So click on search locations and look out for, let me say for example, if I'm in Anambra State and I want to locate people around my state, so I will make use of Enugu State. Okay, if I like, I can still put Ebonyi State. If I like, can. So Ebonyi State. Okay, Imo State, right? Imo State. These are states around us. Asaba. So you don't want to stress yourself trying to send your product to someone that is far away. Edo State is quite close to Asaba. So let's make use of Edo State. Which other state? You can now put Anambra State, which is your state. So if you have clients, customers that want to buy from you here, perfect. Okay, perfect. Okay, so good, right? All right. So what else again? So if your product is for men, just click men. If it is for women, click women. So but our product is for all. So what age are we actually talking about? Go with 24 years so that kids do not start coming there to talk trash, because in running ad it really happens. So that's why I will always advise you, go and register for my social media passive income course, where I will teach you how to limit vulgar words or abusive words from your ad. Okay, so for this one, let's just go with this. So let's go to 24 to 64 plus. Because why I am actually using 64 plus is because a lot of people do not really put their real age on Facebook, so it will actually vary. Sorry. So let's continue. So advanced options. I don't think we have anything to do with target by specific language, so we don't have anything to do with them. All right. So let's move. Let's click on this. Just click on good. Okay. Click here. Click here. Just click here. So that's what I mean. Click on it, right? So you are good to go. So just all right. All right. All right. Right. Okay. So what next? Click on the arrow underneath. All right. Okay. So what next? Daily. Just use daily. Don't use lifetime. Use daily. So daily, how much do you want to be charged daily? If I'm you, I would choose 1,000 naira per day. Man, you're going to rake a lot of customers. So your job is just to stay online and keep on replying messages. A lot of people will buy. So they hide the number, they hide the chance of you making sales. So if you like, you can just put 500, which is the limit. Okay. So whatever be your budget. So I'm going for 1,000 naira. Okay. So start now. So how many days you want it to run? So depending on your budget, I want it to run for. Okay, let me say, make sure that you are running it up to 5 days, because one, let me tell you the reason. Okay, it's not an advanced class, but I will tell you the reason. Okay, so the reason is that for it takes Facebook algorithm 5 days for you to study your ad. Sorry, not Facebook algorithm, Facebook artificial intelligence. It takes them machine learning. It takes them 5 days for them 3 days to learn your ad. Now, on learning the ad does not mean that you will not make sales. You cannot make sales in first day, second day, third day. But there are ad that you run first day, second day, third day, you won't even make a single sale. On the fourth day, you see low cost of people trooping in. But on this very ad, man, you're going to get even first day save. You will get. I'm assuring you that. So make sure that you're running 12 to 5 days, so that from the third and fourth day you can actually have massive sales. So that does not mean that first day you won't actually make sales. Okay. So I'm going for 1,000 for 5 days. Okay, you just click on the good at the far end. Click on it. Okay, so this is where it has actually taken us to. So when you must have clicked that good, so this is how our ad will look like. Okay, this is how our ad will look like. So don't click any other thing, just come down, slow down. So before then, you must have actually put your payment method, right? I asked you to make use of Barter card, but if you have normal ATM card, you can just use it. So what next are we to do now? What next are we to do is to place order. You can see the order here. So on placing order, Facebook will check your ad to know if you're actually abusing any of their terms and conditions. If you use any words like sex, words that are vulgar, words that you know that is normally not moral enough. So just don't make use of any of these words at all. And also they'll check your picture to make sure that your picture is a good picture, not a kind of high sensitive pictures. So okay, or adult pictures. So click on place order. Okay, you hear a bell once you click on place order. Okay, so once you place your order, you wait for Facebook to to notify you. Okay, your order has been received. Your ad is being reviewed to make sure that if it follows Facebook's advertising policies. Typically, you receive a response within 24 hours. you can duplicate this ad to create. Okay, so that's just it. Not now. You click not now, so you leave it. Okay, so leave it. So you can see that our post is scheduled. You get the point? It's scheduled, so we are waiting for them to actually approve it. So once they approve it, your ad begins to convert immediately. Okay, immediately. So ready to become a businessman online. So this is one of the basic aspects of you making sales online. Massive one online. I know what I'm saying. I know what I'm saying. So from here, you can even help people to run their basic ad on Facebook. So, but I would advise you, if you can, just try to, okay, this is the ad, the one that we run now. Okay, this is it. This is it. So make sure that you actually go immediately and place and purchase from my social media passive income course, because there I'm going to be teaching you how to create Facebook account, Instagram account. I also teach you Instagram account, Instagram ad there too, so that you will usually actually get updated with some skills that you can actually charge your clients for. So that's it for now, and that's all for the class. So for the next class, which is going to be instructional and also an overview of what we actually done already. So catch you guys later. Do enjoy yourselves. Bye bye.